So here's how to find your Facebook profile user ID. It's quite simple and let's get started. First of all, open up the Facebook application and then from here on the right upper side you will see the profile icon. You need to tap on that and then just simply go to your profile. Alright, then simply go and tap on these three dots on the right side. And then scroll it down to find your user profile link. Alright, so simply copy the profile link and then go to any of the browser of your mobile phone, like I'm going with the Google Chrome. Then you need to search for lookup/id.com. Alright, here is the website, and then from here you need to paste your profile link. Alright, so paste it right over here and then tap on lookup, and there you have it. Alright, so now there you have it. This is my profile user ID. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and I will get you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.